Which one was the most disrespectful moment here? Now I'll be honest, I'm torn between the entire left side. Don't get me wrong, the right side is pretty bad. The left side just gets worse. Have y'all ever been in a dream where you have to fight somebody, and when you throw a punch, your punches don't do anything, and you just feel powerless? That's probably how Sasuke felt during his fight with Killer Bee. With Zoro, imagine training your entire life to become the strongest swordsman. And then once you get that opportunity to fight the strongest swordsman, he embarrasses you using his smallest knife. All those years of training and you realize you're still not even close to becoming the strongest. And then the Kenpachi one is just horrid. Imagine being hailed as the strongest Shinigami. That's literally the title of Kenpachi, by the way. And then being off-screened by a clone of Yuha. Not only did he get no-diffed by a clone, but he got off-screened. I just have to go with the Kenpachi one due to the sole fact he got off-screened.